Hi friends, I'm Clark. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to install the games on your Xiaomi Google TV. I'm just going to show in this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more content. How to install the games on your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. First of all, log in into your account, Google Play Store account or mail ID. You should be logging into your account, MA account or Xiaomi account. Then you just need to go to the Play Store. To go to the Play Store, you can't find the apps here. So go inside the setting option first. And after going inside the setting option, you just need to go to the apps on the side. You can find the application called apps. Select the apps. Then you just need to select the see all option. Click on the see all option. Now you just need to go down and you just need to select an option called show the system apps. Then you just need to swipe down and you just need to find an option called Play Store. So it's actually hidden on your Xiaomi Google TV. So I just find here your post Play Store. So click on the Play Store and open the Play Store first. Now you can have a lot of more games in the Play Store. So you can see in the bottom section you have an option called beach buggy racing game. So you can click on this, install it, and you can just play it and find you just need to switch to the apps to the games here on the top, and here you can find lot of more games. You can see the baseman game. You can get this as you can just click on the install, you can just use it. So it's a super wonderful games. You can find all the games on the game section on the top. It will provide all the games that you can play on this Xiaomi Google TV. This is how you just install the games on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.